Tell me his name, I want to know the way he looks and where you go. I need to see his face, I need to understand why you and I came to an end. I let you go, I let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. I closed my eyes and dreamed of you in time, then I realized there's more to life than only bitterness and lies. I closed my eyes, I gave away my soul to hold you once again, and never let those moments end. I'll let you go, I'll let you fly. Now that I know, I'm asking why. I'll let you go now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken